In the landmark decisions, the Manipur Cabinet has revised the minimum wages across various employee categories, marking a significant boost for labourers in the state. This decision emerged from a cabinet meeting held yesterday where 16 agendas were discussed, primarily focusing on the forthcoming budget session slated for July 31st. Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh, the Minister of Information and Public Relations, conveyed the details during a press briefing held at his residence. He revealed that the Department of Labor's proposal to revise minimum wages had been approved. According to the Cabinet's decisions, the daily wages for unskilled labourers have been increased from Rs. 225 to Rs. 400. Semi-skilled labourers will now earn Rs. 440 per day, up from Rs. 248, while skilled labourers will receive Rs. 480 per day, up from Rs. 273. Additionally, the wages for managers, principals and vice principals have been elevated to Rs. 590 per day from Rs. 333.33 paise. The revisions also extend to other categories, with local authority employees' daily wages rising from Rs. 255 to Rs. 450. Part-time sweepers will now earn Rs. 420 per day compared to the previous Rs. 240, and domestic part-time workers' hourly wages have been increased from Rs. 30 to Rs. 53. Dr. Ranjan also announced approval of a second phase compensatory crop package for farmers affected by the ongoing crisis. Approximately 2,072 farmers will benefit from the Rs. 13.30 crore allocated for this phase. The first phase has been a disbursement of Rs. 18.91 crore. Furthermore, the Cabinet has sanctioned the recruitment of public finance management system experts under the Directorate of Treasury and Accounts to enhance the system's efficiency. An increment in the allowance for retired Chief Justices of High Court was also approved.